This is Shane from Matrak. I just wanted to give a massive thank you to every installer, manufacturer, supplier, logistics company, inspector, and GC on the Matrak network. Thanks to you guys, we've just hit a massive milestone. We are now on 100 projects, which is just absolutely huge. This whole thing just got started because by Brett and I, because he was having all these frustrations as an installer. Basically, he thought it was ridiculous that he should have to make all these phone calls to the suppliers like several times a week to find out what was being shipped and how it was being packed and when he needed to book the crane crew for. And similarly, he thought it was ridiculous that the builder and the supplier would have to keep calling him to find out what was installed, have the defects been fixed, have you received those reorders or something yet? And so basically, the two of us just kind of had this thought bubble that if any company could track their materials and if any companies could link up and share that information, maybe that'd be useful. But we didn't know, and so what was really cool was that like the industry itself, like all of you guys sort of heard about what we were working on, and then really got excited about what that could mean for the future of the industry, like in terms of, well, if Matrak knows where all the materials are at, then maybe you can generate our progress claims. Maybe you can generate our delivery dockets, or even if you know what's needed for a job, maybe you can do our tendering for us, And so then seeing you guys actually help every step of the way sort of build this system with us has just been phenomenal. Like you guys are the ones that told us that you wanted QR codes. You guys told us what sort of languages you needed and how notifications or reports and everything should work. And then what's been phenomenal is that you've essentially taken what we started building and just applied it to so many different trades that we never would have thought possible, from like HVAC and sanitation to like formwork and elevators, So it's just been phenomenal. So yeah, I just really wanted to thank everyone on the Matrak network once again. We would literally be nothing without so many forward-thinking individuals from companies all over the world that really wanted to sort of work together to make construction a lot easier than it used to be. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you guys so much, and let's see how quickly we can get to 500. Cheers.